Nippon Shokken USA is a subsidiary of Nippon Shokken Group in Japan. They are the largest liquid seasoning manufacturer in Japan. Here at the West Sacramento plant, we produce about 16,000 bottles per day.
The reason why we chose the West Sacramento is water quality. The water quality is very high. The water quality is very important for our product.
So all our products are pretty much hot water, so it's very important for that. But we also use the water for cooling down our bottles because we fill our sauce hot.
3 years ago, we started the expansion project, and then we asked the city for input. And then they said we have to be conservative with the water.
So you need water and energy to do business, to create products, to have commerce, and so we want to make sure that this viable and special resource is taken care of and used efficiently. So Nippon Shokken received a $15,000 rebate from the Regional Water Authority and the Department of Water Resources.
DWR was able to provide voter-approved Proposition 1 funds to make their cooling system more efficient.
The old system used to use the water one time. So the new system recycles water. It will go through a chiller system back into the cooling tunnel where it will get recycled back into the system, which we can reuse 5 or 6 times before draining it out.
After we installed our chiller system in January 2024, we immediately saw results. We reduced 48% of our water consumption, resulting in 2.66 million gallons per year. Over 20 years, we will be saving 53 million gallons of water, and that will be equivalent to 1.36 billion bottles of our seasonings.
So the project highlights the importance of partnerships between businesses, local government, and agencies. It also underscores the value of rebate programs in enabling large-scale water-saving efforts.
Everyone plays a part in saving water in the state of California, businesses and residents alike, so that we can provide water to everything, humans, plants, animals, now and in the future.